Let's talk about OpenAI, a name that's gone from niche research lab to global phenomenon almost overnight. Their tools are everywhere, shaping industries and sparking debates. This isn't just another tech company, it's a seismic shift. AI moving from sci-fi to daily reality. The speed of this transformation, wild. It's like watching a tech revolution in fast forward. OpenAI's journey, once a slow climb, suddenly felt rocket-fueled. One day they're publishing research. The next, their AI is writing, drawing, and coding for millions. Few tech companies break into the mainstream this fast. ChatGPT in particular captured imaginations far beyond Silicon Valley. Students, artists, business owners, everyone started experimenting with what this new AI could do. This wasn't just innovation, it was transformation, changing how we work, learn, and create. OpenAI sits at the epicenter of this shift. So, how did they get here? What were the key moments and big bets? We'll explore their founding principles, the tech that made them famous, GPT-4, ChatGPT, DALL-E, and the partnerships that amplified their reach. We'll also touch on the challenges and controversies because no journey this big is without them. And finally, what can we learn from their meteoric rise? Stick around. This is a story of vision, innovation, and building something world-changing. OpenAI launched in 2015 with a bold mission: ensure artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. The founders, including Elon Musk and Sam Altman, wanted to counterbalance profit-driven AI development with a focus on safety and equitable access. They started as a non-profit, aiming for openness and collaboration. But building advanced AI is astronomically expensive. Massive datasets, powerful GPUs, and top talent don't come cheap. As ambitions grew, so did the costs, outpacing what a traditional non-profit could handle. In 2019, OpenAI introduced a new structure, OpenAI LP, a cap profit company. This allowed them to raise investment while promising that excess value would flow back to the non-profit. It was a pragmatic solution, but it sparked debate. Can a company truly serve both humanity and profit, even with a cap? This hybrid model remains controversial, highlighting the tension between mission and money. OpenAI's structure is as unique as its technology. Their journey shows that even the most idealistic missions must adapt to financial realities. And that adaptation set the stage for everything that followed. Before the world knew them for language models, OpenAI was building foundational AI tools. OpenAI Gym became a playground for AI agents, advancing reinforcement learning. Their robotics work, like the dactyl hand solving a Rubik's Cube, showcased real-world problem-solving. These projects built their research reputation and attracted top talent. Then came the GPT models. GPT-4 in 2019 stunned the world with its ability to generate coherent text. OpenAI, wary of misuse, staged its release, fueling anticipation and debate about responsible innovation. This cautious rollout created hype and positioned OpenAI as a leader in both capability and ethics. The GPT-4 moment marked the start of their ascent into the AI mainstream. Scaling up required resources, and Microsoft delivered a billion-dollar investment and access to Azure's cloud power. This partnership was a turning point, giving OpenAI the muscle to build even bigger models. In 2020, they unveiled GPT-4, a language model so powerful it could write, code, and converse almost like a human. But this time, OpenAI didn't release the model itself. Instead, they offered access via API, creating scarcity and exclusivity. Developers clamored for access, building innovative applications and generating massive buzz. By controlling access, OpenAI could monitor use, gather feedback, and start commercializing their research. Each new demo fueled the legend. OpenAI wasn't just making products, they were making headlines. The Microsoft partnership boosted credibility and reach, while the API-first approach let them scale safely. GPT-4's launch was a masterclass in building hype and value. OpenAI's reputation as the leader in large language models was cemented. The world was watching and waiting for what came next. Exclusivity became part of the brand. OpenAI had built not just a product, but a phenomenon. OpenAI didn't stop at language. They pushed AI into new creative frontiers. Codex, trained on code and language, powered GitHub Copilot, revolutionizing how developers write software. Then came DALL-E and DALL-E 2, generating stunning images from text prompts. An astronaut riding a horse, anything you could imagine. Suddenly, anyone could be a digital artist. DALL-E's viral success made AI creativity accessible and shareable, captivating a global audience. These tools weren't just for tech insiders, they resonated with everyone, from artists to meme makers. OpenAI proved AI could be a partner in creativity, not just automation. Their brand recognition soared as DALL-E went mainstream. In November 2022, OpenAI launched ChatGPT, a simple chat interface with extraordinary capabilities. It could answer questions, write essays, debug code, and hold nuanced conversations. The response was explosive: 1 million users in 5 days, 100 million in 2 months. ChatGPT became a viral sensation, changing how people viewed AI overnight. Its success triggered an industry-wide race, with tech giants scrambling to catch up. Microsoft integrated OpenAI's models into Bing and Office, reshaping the tech landscape. But success brought turbulence. In late 2023, CEO Sam Altman was abruptly ousted, sparking internal chaos and public scrutiny. After a dramatic few days, Altman returned, but the episode exposed deep tensions between OpenAI's mission and its commercial ambitions. The world saw just how high the stakes and the pressures had become. OpenAI's governance and future direction were suddenly front-page news. The company's internal struggles mirrored the broader challenges of leading the AI revolution. OpenAI's rise wasn't just about tech, it was about strategy and storytelling. Staged releases and waitlists created exclusivity, turning users into evangelists. High-impact demos like DALL-E's viral images and ChatGPT's chat interface made AI instantly relatable and shareable. Microsoft's partnership gave OpenAI both credibility and distribution muscle. The brand evolved from idealistic nonprofit to dominant tech powerhouse. This shift brought influence and scrutiny, raising questions about ethics and openness. OpenAI's journey offers lessons for startups: have a bold vision, build groundbreaking products, and adapt when needed. Product-led growth and narrative power fueled their momentum. They didn't just build AI, they built a story around it. The tension between mission and profit remains, but their impact is undeniable. OpenAI's playbook: visionary thinking, relentless execution, and savvy positioning. The world is watching what they'll do next, and the story is far from over.